Let's rank 50 of the world's most popular candy from best to worst in the Candy Tier List Challenge. This is going to be so much fun. Let's get started. Rank the candy. It's Snickers. What are you going to rank it? It's Skittles. It's Reese's Peanut Butter Cups. Rank the candy. It's Nerds. What do you rate it? It's Starburst. Are you enjoying this video? Let us know with a thumbs up! What are you going to rank it? It's Milky Way. What ranking are you giving it? It's Butterfinger. It's Jolly Rancher. Rank the candy. It's Tootsie Roll. What do you rate this candy? It's Kit Kat. For more great quizzes and games, subscribe to our channel, The Quiz Show. We promise fun. What are you going to rank it? It's Nestle Crunch. What do you rate it? It's Almond Joy. It's Swedish Fish. Rank the candy. It's Sour Patch Kids. What are you going to rank it? It's Twix. What do you rate it? It's Airheads. It's Gummy Bears. Rank the candy. It's Reese's Pieces. It's Laffy Taffy. What ranking are you giving it? It's Toblerone. It's jelly beans. What do you rate it? It's Cadbury Cream Egg. It's Pop Rocks. Rank the candy. It's Gummy Worms. It's Turkish Delight. What are you going to rank it? It's Ferrero Rocher. It's Mentos. What do you rate it? It's Werther's Original. It's Milk Duds. What do you rate this candy? It's candy corn. It's Pocky. What are you going to rank it? It's Maltesers. What ranking are you giving it? It's Mars Bar. Rank the candy. It's Chupa Chups. It's Black Thunder. What are you going to rank it? It's Tim Tam. What do you rate this candy? It's a Gobstopper. Rank the candy. It's Warheads. What are you going to rank it? It's 5 Gum. It's Icebreakers. ranking are you giving it? It's Hubba Bubba Bubble Tape. It's Hershey's Milk Chocolate Bar. What do you rate it? It's Twizzlers. It's licorice. What do you rate this candy? It's Lifesavers. Rank the candy. It's Haribo Happy Cola. It's Hershey's Kisses. What do you rate it? It's Raisins. What ranking are you giving it? It's M&M's.